Hi there. I'm going to give you a really quick demo of how LangSheet.AI works. So the way that it works is that we run AI processes on rows. Okay. And so I just press start here. And so what it's going to do is it's going to read a URL that we have as our input. Yeah. Then it's going to take a prompt and write a first draft. And then an editor is going to write the second draft and write it here in the red space. Then we'll write a title tag and a meta description tag and an H1 tag. And we'll take all of these different elements of the page. And okay, there you see, now we have our second draft. Um, and we have some conditional formatting that we have here so we can identify issues. And this particular one doesn't have an issue. It shouldn't have printed out the year. Okay, and then what we do is now we can publish it. We simply have to hit the row and press on the publish button, and it's actually going to publish it to the website and then open it so a human can do a quick spot edit. And that is a really quick overview of how LangSheet.AI can work to make new or improve existing pages on a website on a massive scale.